This is OnePlus Nord 3, and today I will quickly show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then go for the accounts category, or users and accounts to be exact, and then get rid of any Google accounts you might have. Once there are no Google accounts left, re-enter the Google category instead, then go for the parental controls, get started, child routine, next. Now you gotta log into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that off the camera. Once the child's account was successfully signed into, select it from the list over here, and next log into parental Google account as well. Next step is called About Supervision, and over here you will need to input the child's Google account password one more time, then tap at the Agree button and allow the supervision. Now give it a few seconds to connect or rather link the parental and child accounts together. Something went wrong apparently, but that's fine. I guess the parental controls are active now, and all these steps that were coming onwards were not essential anyways, so I don't think we lost a lot of important stuff. Anyway, once everything is set up at the child's end, you gotta take your parental device first, then launch the Play Store and install the Family Link app from it. Launch the app once it is ready. Then over here, be attentive and make sure to log in with the parental Google account. And well, from now on you can tailor, control and manage your child's digital experience in a lot of ways. As you can see, there are quite a few of controls that you have at your disposal. Then you can also monitor your child's location or see their device usage highlights. But anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.